Change of variables. Certain problems becomes very easy to solve when you change from Cartesian coordinate system to polar coordinate system, or Cartesian coordinate system to spherical polar coordinate system, or Cartesian system to cylindrical coordinate system, or vice versa. When you wish to change from Cartesian coordinate system to polar coordinate system, you are actually changing the variables x, y to new variables r and theta. R denotes the radial line and theta denotes the angular displacement of radial line. In this situation, when you change from Cartesian system to polar system, you will have to make use of the parametric equations x equals r cos theta and y equals r sin theta. Clearly, these parametric equations satisfy the equation of circle x square plus y square equals r square, which is a circle having r as the radius and center as the origin. When you have double integral f of xy dx dy to be evaluated in polar system, first of all, you have to replace the function f of xy with the new function f of r theta. That is, wherever x appears, it must be replaced using r cos theta, and wherever y appears, it must be replaced using r sin theta. When you consider the derivative element dx dy, it cannot be easily replaced as dr d theta. The change is associated with another quantity, which is the Jacobian. In order to evaluate Jacobian, you have to make use of this determinant evaluation. Here, when you make use of the parametric equations and you give first order partial derivatives in the determinant expression, you get Jacobian j equals r. This Jacobian expression is also associated here when you change from Cartesian coordinate system to polar coordinate system. Let us consider the next case wherein we change from Cartesian coordinate system x, y, z to spherical polar coordinate system, which involves three variables r, theta and phi. Here we make use of parametric equations x equals r sin phi cos theta, y equals r sin phi sin theta and z equals r cos phi. Clearly, these parametric equations satisfy the equation of the sphere, which is given by x square plus y square plus z square equals r square, which is the sphere which has origin as the center and radius equals r. Notice that in the parametric equations, phi represents the angle measured in anti-clockwise direction starting from the z-axis. Theta is the angle measured from x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. First we evaluate phi. Since it is a three-dimensional space we are considering, we may have a point located in the space, and first we measure the angular distance from z-axis to this point P. Next we project the point P onto the xy plane. Let us call M as the projected point, and in the xy plane we take angular measurement in the anti-clockwise direction from the x-axis to the point M, and this gives the value for theta. Since our discussion is in three-dimensional space, it will involve triple integral. You have to first of all replace the function f of x, y, z using the parametric equations so that you obtain the new function which will be defined in variables r, theta and phi. Not only that, the derivative element dx, dy, dz is replaced by dr, d phi, d theta, but also a special quantity which is the Jacobian is also associated when you transform from Cartesian system to spherical coordinate system. You can evaluate the Jacobian using this determinant expression and you obtain Jacobian j equals r square sin phi. When you wish to change from Cartesian coordinate system x, y, z to cylindrical coordinate system r, theta, z, parametric equations of polar coordinate system repeats, that is x equals r cos theta, y equals r sin theta, along with the additional parametric equation which is z equals z. This is so because cylindrical coordinate system is just an additional z-axis switched on to the polar coordinate system r theta. Using these parametric equations, when you evaluate the Jacobian, you obtain Jacobian j equals r. Therefore, this triple integral which lies in the Cartesian coordinate three-dimensional space will be replaced by this triple integral. Notice that f of x, y, z is replaced by a new function which is a function on r, theta and z. Also, dx, dy, dz get replaced by r dr d theta dz, where r is the Jacobian.